is burning hot throughout India, and the discomfort level is quite high across most of the parts. It's a time when there is an active spread of bacteria, virus, including COVID virus, molds, and other microfungal organisms. It creates an overall discomfort with stuffy conditions. We rely heavily on air conditioners in these conditions, which bring down the humidity level to below par level, leading humans catching cold or infection, dry and itchy skin, etc. In cities with coastal area climate like Kolkata, Mumbai, Chennai, Kochi, Guwahati, where the humidity level touches 80 to 85%, we tend to become very uncomfortable. In the period April to November, it becomes a Herculean task to beat the humidity. We find mold on clothes, bags, wall due to high humidity. In a rainy season, the drying of clothes again becomes a big headache. Now the question is, how do we suppress these with a cost-effective solution? What is the ideal humidity level? What's the most fitting solution? Here I am with an all-in-one solution. Hello friends, this is Gyanveer, your partner for Purified Air Solutions. I am representing IJK Solutions and we are authorized channel partners of Sharp India. Sharp is a 110-year-old Japanese electronic giant known for its innovation and one of its kind product. The plasma cluster ion technology, a patented and globally certified technology which emits positive and negative ions, a natural phenomenon, is widely used in air purifiers, dehumidifiers, air conditioners, and refrigerators. It helps in removal of germs, bacteria, virus including COVID virus, mold, static electricity, etc. Sharp's DW J20 FMW is a wonderful solution to this scenario. It's a super combination of air purifier, dehumidifier, and laundry dryer. The ideal humidity level for human being ranges from 45 to 55%. This machine helps in maintaining the ideal levels of humidity, thus eradicating the ill effects of low high humidity levels. The air purification helps people with respiratory issues like asthma in a big way. The clothes get dried without any smell together with maintained room humidity levels. It gives more better result than the natural phenomenon. To add, it even helps in saving of electricity bills. So what are you waiting for, guys? Pick up your phone, dial 983113559 to place your order or no more. We'll be more than happy to help you breathe easy. Love you guys. Catch you over telephonic discussion. Bye. Have a great day ahead.